Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and today we are here in Bailey's Muckleneuk with Lux Live Property Group and we are showcasing this fantastic Mediterranean style 9-bedroom, 9-bathroom home. It offers 489 squares under roof. It is massive. So we've just walked through the garden and I want to show you my favorite part, which is the outside area. So we have this beautiful large pool where kids can splash. You can host incredible gatherings, and this is just a lovely space to enjoy. So this property has a borehole and it comes with solar panels included. There's a Lapa. We're not going to go in today, but there is a Lapa where you can host your functions and enjoy time with friends and family when it's raining. It feels like a forest. There's just so many plants, and you all know I love greenery and I love plants. So this is just something that you can come in and enjoy for yourself. So once we step into the house from this outside area, we walk into the formal lounge. This is a lovely space. So we currently have 8 wingback chairs here, which just gives you a great indication of the space. You can easily have a 3-seater with two seaters and another wingback here, or whatever you'd like to do. And you'll see right throughout the house we have arches. I just love this style. I know modern, we're going for solid lines, but this is just beautiful. Go have a look at our photos and see what I mean. So next we're going to go into one of the bedrooms. So this is like a self-catering unit. It has enough space for your double bed, king actually, because this is 2 single beds. We also have the beautiful wooden ceilings, and I just want you to look up to see that there's this skylight that comes in, and we have a little kitchenette area. The built-in cupboards behind me, then your basin plus cupboard area. Then you would walk right into the bathroom. It offers a toilet and a shower. And then yes, you can come and play with the space as it suits your family or as you please. So next we're going down the hall, and I just want you to have a sneak peek, but we're not going to walk this way right now, of the courtyard. I love the beautiful whites, and look, the potted plants aren't included, but we can always chat about it. Okay, so this is on the right hand wing of the house. You'll see that there's this beautiful passage with windows and the wooden ceilings again. Now we're going to walk into the second bedroom that we're looking at today. This one is big enough for a queen or a king size bedroom. It comes with the wooden, I just love those beautiful wooden doors, the built-in cupboards, and here we also have these arched windows. It has a little bit of a kitchenette area, small kitchenette area. The bathroom completes with a shower, a toilet and a basin. Just look at the light and just these beautiful windows. I love it. This bedroom comes with a door, but the bed and the bathroom is separate. So have a look at the bathroom first. This is a full bathroom with a bath, a shower, toilet and a basin. And then next we have lovely big bedroom. So by this time, now that we're in the third bedroom, you might be wondering, like, why are we seeing these little kitchenette areas in every bedroom? So this house has been run as a guest house for quite some time, and the bedrooms are self-catering units, and that is why you'll see the little kitchenette areas. Okay, so now we're stepping into a massive bedroom. This, again, we have wooden ceilings. This one has carpets installed and also comes with a separate door that leads to the outside with a patio area. And here you'll see we have a king size bedroom and then 2 single beds. So you can remove the single beds and have your dressing table on this side. Then we also have a walk-in closet with the same beautiful wooden doors, and this leads to the ensuite bathroom. It's also a full bathroom. And I just want to show you, so there's another exit. So you'll see the window here, but that's actually a door, and this gives you a complete view of the courtyard. Again, lots of greenery. I just love it. Let's go to the right wing of the house. Okay, so we're exiting the right wing, walking down the passage, and yet again, I just want you to have a look at this courtyard. So I want to show you the high walls. Just if you can look up, we've got these beautiful white high walls with the greenery here. So we have a lot of potted plants, which you can remove some of them, or well, it's not sold with the property, but you can add your own potted plants or chairs, tables, and just turn this into another entertainment area or area just to relax and enjoy yourself. So then we walk straight into the dining area. You'll see more wooden ceilings, arches, and then this area, they have the 3 small tables here because it's a guest house, and this is the breakfast area. But you can easily fit your 8 or 10 seater table here and use this as your dining room and host all your dinner parties. Okay, so next we're walking towards the kitchen, and I just want to show this part to you. To the left we have the garage, and then those two, number 2 and 3, are bedrooms, which are equally sizable with their respective bathrooms. And then we have a guest toilet on this side. In the kitchen, we have granite tops, solid wood, cupboards, again, wooden ceilings. You'll see the look is uniform throughout. We have an electric stove top with your double eye level ovens, and there's space for more than enough fridges. On this side, it actually leads to the back door. So you can exit the kitchen on this side to do your laundry and so on. Then there is a separate scullery to your right hand side. And this has another part to it where you can store your washing machines, dishwasher, and so on. And you'll see it offers ample storage space. Okay, let's go to the front. So just to show this part to you, this is the front door. We've got this beautiful solid wood front door, and it sets the tone for the house. So let's go to room number 5. Here we have a security gate. Again, the windows that offers natural, or that brings in the natural light. And then here we have another bedroom. Yet again, big enough for king size bed. We have the windows facing the courtyard that we looked at. It offers built-in cupboards. Have a look at the bathroom with the shower. Okay, so we're exiting the house from the front door, or through the front door now, and I want to show you the front side of the house. So we still have beautiful wooden ceilings here, a lot of greenery that you'll see. It leads right to the pedestrian gate. There's a double garage. I didn't tell you, but there are 2 entrances. So we have this entrance that you can use, and then there is another entrance to the other side of the property. Okay, so what did we see today? We saw a 9-bedroom, 9-bathroom house with 2 different living areas, a beautiful garden, double garage, massive kitchen, and so much more for you to offer, or to offer you. If you'd like to make this one yours, please give us a call on 082 082 4479. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.